Hello, parents. I hope you had a nice 4-day holiday weekend. I'm sending this video just to let you know about a couple of things. Starting today, we started our formal phonics lessons, and I want to show you some of the resources that you can tap into. So when you come to language arts, we're learning letter A. And I know a lot of the students know the letter, they know what it sounds like, but what we're doing right now is two things. First, we're learning how to do letter formation. Today, I gave them a little practice test to see how everyone is writing. And even though they know the letter A, I would say majority are not forming their letters correctly. So we're going to spend time with letter formation because that is part of the writing grade that they're going to get in November. Second, knowing the sound, that it is a vowel, and how to manipulate the sound. So that's phonemic awareness. They're going to hear the sound and decide if the sound is in the beginning, middle, or end, and say a word with the letter A sound and segmenting them, is separating the sounds. So just know that if you might feel, oh, my child already knows letter A, why are we reviewing this? It is not just learning the letter, it is knowing how to manipulate the sound and incorporate writing and reading. So in here, I have a letter A room, and I already showed it to the students. There are books here that they can type, that they can hear, that has to do with starting with letter A. Songs right here, and Starfall is kind of like an activity game they can do. So here's the letter A room. I have placed letter A song from Jack Harmon that shows them how to write and say the sound. And as always, today we learned Humpty Dumpty, the nursery rhyme. This Friday, we're going to have an end of the unit test regarding our stories. If you want your child to be ready, which we do in our class every day, is reviewing the nursery rhymes, knowing who the main character is, and what happens in the story. Okay? So I've left all of this for you. Okay? Again, if you don't know the rhyme, it is right here. All of the rhymes are here for you to review. Okay? Okay, so this was language arts. Again, the main focus is we started our formal phonics lesson, knowing how the letter sounds, how it spells, and how to manipulate it in a word. Which meaning, where does the sound fall? Is it beginning, middle, or end? Okay? Okay, next, I also wanted to share with you with math. Just like language arts, math, we're on topic C and topic D. Just like language arts, I know many of the students know what the number looks like, or even maybe write it, but we are learning going deep. So for example, in topic C, we are learning how to count. If we have objects like for over here, a lot of students know how to count correctly if it's in a linear or horizontal, like straight lines. But if I take, let's say 5 stars, and I scatter them, a lot of them have a hard time counting. They might miss a count. I teach them to touch and count. That means you don't trust your eyes. You have to touch and count. So remember, we're learning right now numerals to 5 in different configurations. We're learning a linear, horizontal, arrays. This is going to get them ready for multiplication, scattered, and circular. Please read the topics. We are right now learning about hidden numbers, which is part of the homework. How do you make a 3? How do you make a 4? What are the two numbers that make that? Which is getting them ready for addition that's coming up. In topic D, we are learning the idea of what a 0 is, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, teaching them also how to form the numerals. There are specific rhymes we learn to write the numbers, and I will share with you later. But please read the topics, talks about each lesson and what we're doing. Lexia, we're still waiting for the license. it's a, you know, a big bureaucracy. You have to pay them. It takes time for them to process it. So please be patient with Lexia, but please go ahead and review iExcel for the math. And okay, so that's it. I just wanted to share with you. We have a new month calendar. This Friday, we have Spirit Day. If you support a sports team, if you have one, if you have the shirt, you know, you can wear it for Spirit. If you don't worry about it, please. I don't want you to stress over it if you have one. And the other thing, if you come all the way down here, I have past assignments. So all the math parent newsletters will be there, and libraries. If you can't find a library, I moved them to this folder so we could kind of clear our main page. Okay, I hope this is helpful to you. Please communicate with me if you have any questions. And that's it. Have a great week.